How to change the employee's hourly rate on Agrigistics. The majority of the templates that have been created will refer to a specific variable. This variable is allocated to a specified amount that matches the minimum hourly wage for the majority of your employees. This means that when an annual increase needs to be done, you can change the majority of these rates in one central place. In this video, we will discuss both changing this per individual employee as well as how to do it in bulk. How to change the rate per individual employee. Employees that earn more than this base rate can be overwritten to match their hourly rate. Overriding the rate individually can be done by navigating to the employee's profile. In the employee's profile, click on the Overrides menu option. Click on Add Override. From the drop-down, a list of variables will be shown that's allocated to specific templates. You can select the one that you want to change. There are two options for changing the rates. You can do it using a factor, or you can do it using a new value. Changing the rate as a factor is perfect if all of your employees are based on a percentage of the base variable rate. This will also mean that if the variable rate is increased, these rates will also automatically be increased. Selecting Override with a new value will allow you to enter an amount, and it will always use this value. This amount will need to be changed separately when annual increases are done. To change the rate using a factor, in the Overrides menu, click on Add Override. Select the variable you wish to change. Select Override with Factor, enter the factor, and then click on Add Recurring Override. You will see that the amount of the payslip for all the templates linked to this variable will change, and follow the rules for this template. Change the rate using a new value. In the Override menu, click on Add Override. Select the variable you want to change. Select the Override with New Value option and enter the amount of the rate per hour. And click on Add Recurring Override. You will see that the amount on the payslip for all templates linked to this variable will change, and follow the rules for that template. Just a reminder that if the rate didn't change after the override was done, to just refresh your screen. Rates can also be changed in bulk. In order to do this, you will need to be in a pay run. Use the checkboxes to select the employees whose rates needs to be overwritten. Click on Import Pay Run Templates. Select Import Variable. Click on the drop-down and select the variable you want to download. You can either use the pencils to edit the entire list, or you can download the Excel file by selecting Download Template. In Excel, select Enable Editing. You can now either enter the factor, or you can enter the new value amount. If you select the factor, leave the new value amount as 0. If you enter a new value amount, leave the rate factor at 0. Do not enter an amount in both of the fields. Always leave one on 0. Save your Excel file. Back in the Agrigistics system, you can click on Upload File. Locate your import file in the directory where you saved it to. Click on Open. Click on Yes to import the file. Click on Validate. Click on Recurring. Click on Import. This process can take some time depending on the amount of employees. Please be patient. Once this has been completed, the system will give you a successfully imported message. You will also see that all of the employees' rates that has been selected has been updated. Remember to do a refresh if the rates are still showing the old amounts. Reach out to us if you have any other questions or queries. Thank you for choosing Agrigistics for your time and attendance and payroll processing.